Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 laser level. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Laser level. The LFINE24D16 lines 360 degrees self-leveling laser level is a versatile and precise tool, ideal for professional and D projects. With 16 bright lines and full 360 degrees coverage, it ensures accurate alignment on walls, ceilings, and floors. Its self-leveling feature saves time and improves precision, while the optional tripod adds stability for complex setups. Compact and durable, it's easy to use in any environment, perfect for tiling, framing, or interior layout. This laser level combines reliability with professional-grade performance. Number 2. Laser level. The 16 lines laser level green line self-leveling 360 degrees is a compact yet highly efficient tool for precise leveling. Its 16 bright green lines provide excellent visibility even in well-lit environments, while the 360 degrees horizontal and vertical projection ensures complete coverage for walls, ceilings, and floors. Self-leveling functionality saves time and reduces errors, making it ideal for professional and D projects. Lightweight and easy to operate, this mini laser level combines accuracy, convenience, and durability, making it a reliable choice for any construction or renovation task. Number 3. Laser level. The 2025 DeWalt DW089LG laser level is a powerhouse for both professional and D projects. With 12 green laser lines covering 360 degrees vertically and horizontally, it ensures precise alignment indoors or outdoors. Its 3-sided projection and bright green beams make visibility clear even in daylight. Powered by a 12V lithium battery, it delivers long-lasting performance and portability. Compact yet robust, this laser level simplifies layout tasks, improves accuracy, and is ideal for construction, carpentry, and remodeling projects. Highly recommended. Number 4. Laser level. The Clubiona 4D16 lines laser level is a high-performance tool ideal for precise construction and alignment tasks. Its bright green beams are clearly visible even in daylight, covering 16 lines for full 360 degrees vertical and horizontal leveling. The included remote control and pulse mode enhance usability, while the 5000 mAh Li-ion battery ensures long-lasting operation. Durable and easy to set up, this laser level delivers professional accuracy, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, boosting efficiency and reliability on any job site. Number 5. Laser level. The 16 lines professional laser level with tripod is a versatile tool for precise leveling and alignment. Featuring bright green laser lines and 360 degrees self-leveling capability, it ensures accurate horizontal, vertical, and cross-line measurements. The device is easy to set up, stable on its tripod, and ideal for professional construction, interior design, or D projects. Its durable build and clear visibility make it reliable even in bright environments. Compact and user-friendly, this laser level combines efficiency, accuracy, and convenience in one package. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.